Hi, I'm Ray Alkalai, and this is Insurance Tips for Smart People. This is where we make insurance interesting. Today, we're going to talk about replacement cost. When you buy insurance for your house is got a value. Let's say it's $300,000. So if it did burn down, God forbid, or tornado took it, what would you get from the insurance company? So you can get 100% of coverage, meaning $300,000 for the example of the $300,000 home, or you can get a 125% replacement cost, or you can get 150% replacement cost, or you can get 200%, or you can get 250, or you can get guaranteed replacement cost. Now, obviously, the more the better, because you do not know when or what will happen or how much everything's going to cost to rebuild your home. So everybody assumes that the market value of their home is what it's going to cost to rebuild it. That is not the case. Your house is calculated based on its square footage and the type of a house that it is and its contents relative to how much you're going to get from the insurance company. So if you have a guaranteed replacement cost, whatever it costs to rebuild that house is what you're going to get a check for. If you have 125% and all costs have gone up, and all you have, let's say, a $100,000 home, and all you have is $125,000 to work with, and it now costs $200,000 because labor costs are up, materials are up, things happen in the market, then you would not have enough. So the more you can buy, the better off you are. And not always is 125% is what you're going to have that's going to work for you. So every company has different options. Some companies have only one option. Most companies have 125% or higher, depending on the age of the house and the type of coverage you're getting. Sometimes it's only 100%. So when you're buying your insurance, price that you're paying on the premium is not what you want to be considering. You want to be considering what the issues are going to be in the future. So you should ask those questions. Ask your agent. Ask me. Send me a note, and I might be able to clarify it for you. But make sure that the more is better on your policy. I currently have a policy that has 200%. I have some customers with guaranteed replacement cost, and every situation is different. And obviously, how much you can afford to pay for your premium also makes a difference. But again, try to get the most out of your insurance that you can to make sure you're covered properly. So replacement cost coverage is calculated based on square footage at the time you purchase the insurance. And then what you get is important, so you know the coverages that you have are proper for what you need. Ray Alkalai, Insurance Tips for Smart People. Share and like, share and like. Insurance Tips for Smartpeople.com. And if you have any questions, just send me a note, message me, comment, or send me an email. Ray Alkalai, Insurance Tips for Smartpeople.com.